To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Buffalo County, northern Trempealeau County, until 11 p.m. At 9:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Durand, or 10 miles northwest of Mondovi, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Whitehall around 10:45 p.m. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 88 and 91. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:30 p.m. for northeastern Pippin, southeastern Dunn, southern Chippewa and Eau Claire counties.